Next entry number 5, Pamplona National High School, Poblacion Pamplona, Camarines Sur. Principal, Maria Antonia P. Borromeo. Corps Commander, Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Nathaniel Montero. Corps XO, Cadet Major Alan B. Bailon Jr. Corps G1, Cadet Major Pedro John Dibiano III. Corps G2, Cadet Major John Mark Llaneta. Corps Cadet Major Chris Anthony R. Oredo. Corps G4, Cadet Major Franz John D. L. Roslin. Corps G5, Cadet Major Alvin G. Nacional. Major Leader, Cadet Major Kimberly B. Gabriel. Band Leader, Cadet Major Jazz O. Aconia. Company Commander, Cadet Captain John Louis B. Dicena. Company XO, Cadet Captain Christian Lane M. Bulitik. First Platoon Leader, Cadet Captain Jesse James D. Navarro. Second Platoon Leader, Cadet Captain Sophia May Red. CAE Facilitator, Rodolfo F. Praferosa Jr. Assistant CAE Facilitator, Joel Canaco. DNC Coordinator, Riza A. Dilatore. Major Trainer, Hannah E. Raka. DNC Trainer, Mark Joseph Sevilla. CAE Trainer, Master Sergeant Roland Pilido, retired. CAE Assistant Trainer, Mark Chris A. Gurubat. Entry number 5, Pamplona National High School, Poblacion Pamplona, Camarines Sur.
Thank you very much. Entry number 5, Pamplona National High School, Poblacion Pamplona, Camarines Sur. Next entry, entry number 6, La Consolacion College of Iriga, San Francisco, Iriga City. President, Sister Elizabeth Infante, OSA. Principal, Ms. Jocelyn Malinao. Corps Commander, Cadet Colonel Christopher Velasco Jr. Corps S1, Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Nino Arnido. Corps S2, Cadet Lieutenant